Vastu Shastra is an ancient Indian science that provides guidelines for designing and organizing living spaces to promote harmony, balance, and positive energy. Here are some general Vastu tips for the living room. Direction: ideally, the living room should be in the east or north direction of the house. The east is associated with the flow of positive energy, while the north is associated with wealth and prosperity. Seating arrangement: the main seating arrangement, such as sofas and chairs, should be in the south or west direction, ensuring that guests face either north or east while sitting. Furniture placement: keep furniture in a square or rectangular shape and avoid irregular shapes. The furniture should not block the natural flow of movement in the room. Color scheme: choose light and soothing colors for the living room. Avoid dark and intense colors. White, light yellow, beige, and light green are considered auspicious. Decoration: use decorative items like paintings or sculptures that depict positive aspects of life. Avoid placing heavy or dark-colored curtains in the living room. Lighting: ensure proper lighting in the living room. Natural light is ideal, so have windows that allow sunlight to enter. Use soft and pleasing artificial lighting. Avoid harsh or bright lights. Electronic gadgets: place electronic gadgets like the TV in the southeast direction. Avoid placing them in the northeast or southwest corners. Mirrors: if you have mirrors in the living room, ensure they are placed on the north or east walls. Clutter-free space: keep the living room clutter-free. Remove unnecessary items and maintain a clean and organized space. Plants: having indoor plants, especially in the northeast or east corners, can enhance positive energy flow. Entrance: the main entrance to the living room should be in the north or east direction. Remember, while Vastu can offer guidelines for creating a positive living space,